anything under 2 years, I would consider short. If you have short stints, you better have a very good reason to back them up. Like you're saying, right? Business units were restructuring, you got laid off. That's a fine explanation that should be accepted. Now, if you have too many of these, that's still problematic. So
Yeah.
I would highly recommend trying to go to a company that is more stable, something that a company that you believe has no chance of laying off people in 3 years or so. And then if you have, if you start having roles where you spend 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, that's kind of like the good sweet spot, I would say, of where you want to be. If you have too many 1 year, 1.5 year, 6-month roles lined up in your resume, it's very hard to convince a company to give you a shot.
Thanks for that.
You're welcome, and best of luck. And I know
you.
it's tough when these restructurings happen and they're not directly your fault. Make sure you have an opportunity to explain that, though, at some point. If they're not asking for it, make sure you bring it up at some point explicitly, because it's only going to hurt you if they don't know the reasons.